What's going on, YouTube? We back. Another video. As y'all can see, we done got home early. Oklahoma done struck again, man. Y'all see the weather crazy outside. Weather just ain't even gonna cooperate today. But y'all see it, man. They got us they got the alarms going off, everything outside. Y'all see what we got going? Working on the Cutlass. What the fuck is up with my phone? Man, it done took me forever to get this strip on here. But I got the strip on there, cleaned up. What, man, I'm telling y'all, this weather tripping. It done got dark. It look like they say we might have some tornadoes touch down, but if y'all from Oklahoma, y'all know it ain't serious till it's serious. We're gonna keep doing what we gotta do. As y'all see people still riding up down the street, we're gonna keep on working. I'm gonna try to figure out how to get this glass back in here. He coming over here trying to hide from I bet he trying to hide from the weather. Shit, I gotta get this window back in, get all the trim back on. I go to siren again, so anyway, let me finish trying to get this window in and cut y'all back on in a minute. Man, I don't know if I'm gonna finish the joint, but we trying. So we got the window in. Right now, I'm trying to actually get my screws lined up. Turn this a little bit. For anybody that ain't never actually done one of these windows, they're actually pretty simple to get out and back in. Got 110 here, 2 10s in the back, one there, one there. I thought at first you had to take these out, but I don't think you have to. Maybe these you have to take out, your little felts to push against the window, but you don't have to take this out. There's also this little bracket right here you gotta take out, which I think it just comes up and hits the end of this rod here. Other than that, man, the window come out, and I'm gonna tell y'all to save y'all a headache. You don't fight. It comes in through the back, through this gap right here. Man, I fought that one over here. I fought that window over there for an hour yesterday before my wife just came and outsmarted me in 30 seconds to help me get it in there. So I'm telling y'all, sometimes being in this tech game, the best thing to do is just kind of walk away from it before you go back. I'm telling y'all, bro, it is like, it's coming down outside. I don't know if we're gonna make it to the end of this video, but we're gonna try. I'm finna get this in here, and I'm probably finna shut this garage. Yeah, I mean, it's coming down outside. Yeah, please. That water needed, so I'm gonna let my grass get some water. Maybe it'll start growing. It's definitely pouring outside, y'all. My gutters are flooding. Anyway, we gotta get these tightened up, and I'm gonna try to put the weather strip seal back around the base of the door. I went ahead and got all this trim put back in on this side. Everything coming along. Yeah, I got shit everywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna wind up shutting the garage, putting the wheels, taking the wheels off and getting it up. That way I can actually get get all that resprayed out, because it needed, because he got spray in there. But other than that, that color came out hit. I'll show y'all what I was talking about. I got one of these mounted in the house. I need to get the rest of these out of here. Actually, in the heat, that way they'll be stretched out when I go to put them back on. They all in the back seat. The rest of the window pieces, we gotta get back in. So I'm gonna finish this door. Once I finish this door, going in the house. I'm trying to get this about 90% done. That way I can actually drive it this weekend. Maybe. Yeah. Hurricane outside. Yellow toes up. Anyway, let me go ahead, finish this door. Cut y'all back on once we get this door put back together. I'm trying to get me a new camera, man. I just, you know what I'm saying, like I said, I'm broke these days, so definitely gonna save some money up, grab us a camera so we can get set up and just start going in on these videos. Got that door all back together. We end up having to replace these. I think them like so old, little clips broke off. Gotta put my hood ornament back on. Put that weather strip seal around the door. Grab some more pieces. Kind of show y'all kind of where we're going, but this door is like so tight now with the seal. Like trying to get it to shut, it's gonna be a headache. So, and it's off a little bit. So I think I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with getting these up on the hinge pins. That'll probably be something I look into soon, but I really don't feel like messing with it. Cause like I said, it's not that big of a problem for me until I go to put the body trim on, which, let me grab it real quick to show y'all what I'm talking about. So this is kind of like the trim I was talking about, how it has the backing. I think I haven't pushed it all the way in yet because it's kind of a headache to get in. But once you get it pushed in on the edges, then it has like an edged clip you put on. And we're gonna put this down the door, like right down the center, like that. Of course, once we get everything leveled out and even, we'll put it on there, because if I put the hinge pins in there without it, as you can see the door, how much of a drop this door has. So I'm gonna have to get that fixed first before I install this, but that's what's gonna go there. We got the small one for the front and the one for right behind. It's gotta go on. We got so much going on, but I think my main focus is getting these doors lined up. I don't know how bad the hinges are. I may bring my light around here and look and kind of see, because they actually look like the bushings are there. That bushing's there. Yeah, looks like that bushing's there. That bushing's there. I don't know, I may just end up trying to bend the door pin up. Maybe it's just too heavy. I don't know. But we definitely got to get this installed back, get that on, and then everything should be done at that point. And then we'll just be putting the tag bucket in, front grills in. I haven't put those in yet. Turn that down, got the swamp people going. But we definitely got so much little stuff. Got to get my hood lined back up. There's so many small steps, and we got to get some adhesive remover to get all the tint off. Car is making its way to the finish line. Well, not the finish line, but just because you're never done with these drivable sides, just like this one. This one's probably never gonna get finished with just the impossibility of finding parts. But we just gonna keep working on the Cutlass and the Caddy. We finally got the trim clips for the back window coming. This one we're gonna get the carpet out of rather soon. I just gotta get the seats out. Got the carpet right there that needs to go in it. We got the new trunk bezel in and trim. We gotta put that front piece of chrome on the front bumper, and then all the chrome will be back on. We got it scheduled for wet sanding and buffing. Everything's going good so far with this car. Hopefully this paint comes out a whole lot better after it gets color sanded and buffed, because it really needs it. The camera doesn't show it, but it's definitely got some spots that really needs it. So I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. It's just another video. We're getting the interior all put back together. Weather strips, strikers, we gotta order those. Got the handles back on. We're gonna get everything wiped down, get all the dust out of here, vacuum the car out. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see y'all in the next video.